Wind energy today, fresh air tomorrow. Luang Boda is an expert at building a wind tower production line. So come on and join us. Let's work together.
Hi, welcome to Bota Heavy Industry Company. For all the machine we are making, mostly about automatic welding system. For all the machine before delivery, either we will have customer testing with us. That means when we are testing the machine, the customer will watch the live video to see how we are testing, or just right now we are taking a video and then we upload to the Google Drive and show the link to the customer. So before delivery, the customer will have a very clear view of their machine. So also right now you can see the machine is not being painted because we only paint after we test the machine, after we disassemble the machine, and then we will paint. So I'm going to show you this machine. This is a 3x1 welding column and boom. That means 3 meters elevating and 1 meter horizontal. This machine is for Russian customer. They are using the Altai brand. This brand is quite popular in Russia, in Spain, in some European countries also. That is a 1000 amperage with a submerged arc welding head, the flux recovery system, and most importantly, it is with advanced PLC. Also, you can see here with video monitoring. Okay, so I'll show you more closely. This PLC has 2 screens. This is a more detailed PLC panel, and this is the PLC remoter with all the same button. The same button on the PLC panel. This is the Altai welding machine with 1000 amperage, showing the current and voltage with the positive welding cable going to the welding head, and also the negative welding panel goes to the welding head. Sorry, the positive goes to the and we will see this control box. This control box has the international brand of the Schneider Electricals, Siemens PLC, and Siemens inverter, and also more Schneider Electricals. And let's go to see the back of the machine. So here you are going to see the flux recovery machine. For Russia, we are using the flux recovery machine with heating function. You can see this is nameplate of the flux recovery machine, the meters. So you will see when you receive the flux machine, you will use the air tank, the air compressor. So here there is a wire spool with a wire, and all the cables here, you will see all the cables will go to the cable manager, and you can see very clearly about the crossbar. You can see here, this is style, and the cable can also enter the tube. This is a motorized rotating style with a motor. Electric motor can rotate, motorized 360 degrees. And also with our motorized style, we have the welding. We have the platform holder for the welding machine and the control box. Okay, this is the submerged arc welding head with a 100 by 100 cross slider, can have fine tune go up and down, left and right. This is the wire. For this, we will change it to English later. This is the welding head, and also here the laser pointer. Laser pointer, you can see the laser here, the red dot here, and this is the panel of the welding machine. So here we are using a hanging PLC. This is the PLC panel. We have Russian, English, Chinese. We can have different kinds of language based on customer desire. We can use Spanish. We can 这现在调不了. We can use Spanish, Russian, English, Arabic, Portuguese, Indonesian, all kinds of language you are using. Also, here we printed Russian, so it's very convenient to use. 好，可以。Okay, so for the PLC panel, it has program function. You can set the welding parameters based on your workpiece details. Every time after you test, you record, remember the welding setting, and the next time you can just take it out from the memory, and you don't need to set the parameters again. So it's very functional, it's very efficient. Okay, let's show you how to use this PLC to start welding. Okay, 好. So you can see the interface with Russian. Right now we are using Chinese. Later you can convert to English or Russian. 这是什么按钮？横臂声。哦，横臂声。This is for boom elevating function. Boom elevating. 你调一个，你告诉我，我就翻译一下。啊 ，the boom lower down decline, boom decline. So the boom decline is constant speed for this machine. We also have VFD speed, verified frequency speed for up and down. So our standard for boom stretching is for variable speed adjusting from 100 to 1000 millimeter per minute. So right now we are going to start welding by using this PLC panel. It included all the welding parameters, the voltage, amperage, the welding speed, and all the necessary parameters. In recent years, this PLC is very popular as it saves a lot of work. This is the boom extending. Boom extending is variable speed. Right now, this showing the extending speed. The speed can be from 100 to 1000 millimeter per minute. This is the boom extracting. Yeah, you can see the extending by the wheels. On the boom, there are motors. Do you also see the extending limit switch? We have this automatic limit switch, and also here has the mechanical limit switch here. This is mechanical limit switch, so it has two functions. Also here, rotating also has a limit switch. this rotating limit switch. 好。
返回转。
什么？返回。哦 ，this is rotating，the boom rotating。哦，这个很好，这个露露，以前一般调试都没有。This is for rotating, motorized rotating。You can see the motorized rotating。手机不要转啊。So this style is motorized rotating, does not have traveling function. So we make all the machines according to customer requests. So now we are going to show you another function. Oh, this is for welding gun up and down. 咱们拍那个十字滑块。Controlled by the motorized cross slider. 好，对，焊枪左移在。Now you can see the left and right moving by the cross slider. This cross slider is 100 millimeter by 100 millimeter. Based on customer request, you can have smaller cross slider. We have bigger cross slider. Later, we will also place the video monitoring the welding video on the welding head. Okay, so now we are moving the welding head to align the welding head to this welding plate. Right now, the boom is declining. Boom extending.起弧是怎么起弧了？好。We are going to strike the arc, or we call ignition now.
可以选择焊接。
Now the up is for welding mode, down is debugging mode. So now we adjust to welding mode.
选择方向。
The boom extending direction. So this is the weld direction.
然后打开这。
Now we turn on the flux recovery machine. 就开始了。And now we start. Okay, now the arc is started. You can see the welding is very smooth. We had already tried it 3 times. You can see the welding seems very smooth. So this is real flux recovery machine. Oh. 那小的手控盒再吃一次。Now, when we turn this button, the mode will move from the PLC panel to the remoter. Okay, let's go to see the remoter. Okay, now we will start the welding again by using this remoter. The remoter generally has the same function as the PLC panel. Okay. 好。Okay, now it's rotating of the column rotating, and the boom declining. 大概多高啊？这个？
大概2公分左右。
哦 the welding wire about 2 centimeters above the welding plate. 哦，是枪那个嘴是2厘米是吧？啊。The nozzle is about 2 centimeters above the welding plate.
然后和刚才一样，然后打焊接。
And then we move to the welding mode. We turn on the welding mode. And then the boom stretching, boom retracting. And then we turn on the flux recovery machine. And then start. Okay, the arc is being struck. Okay, this is the video monitoring for the machine. It has high definition camera. See, this is directed to our machine. So you can see the camera is directing to our machine. Sure. 看出来 Okay. This is customized design for the welding monitoring. We can also design to your request. So send us your requirement. We will make you fully surprised, fully satisfied. No. So now we just showed you the testing of our machine with a customized welding machine for Russian. So we're looking forward to work with you. Let's keep in contact.